Mother Teresa. She is very kind, very brave. And today, we are know about Mother Teresa's life. Mother Teresa 1910-1997 was a Roman Catholic nun who devoted her life to serving the poor and destitute around the world. She spent many years in Calcutta, India, where she founded the Missionaries of Charity, a religious congregation devoted to helping those in great need. In 1979, Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize and became a symbol of charitable, selfless work. In 2016, Mother Teresa was canonized by the Roman Catholic Church as Teresa. It is not how much we do, but how much love we put in the doing. It is not how much we give, but how much love we put in the giving. Mother Teresa from No Greater Love. Mother Teresa was born in 1910 in Skopje, the capital of Republic of Macedonia. Little is known about her early life, but at a young age, she felt a calling to be a nun and serve through helping the poor. At the age of 18, she was given permission to join a group of nuns in Ireland. After a few months of training with the Sisters of Loreto, she was then given permission to travel to India. She took her former religious vows in 1931 and chose to be named after Stethrace of Lisieux, the patron saint of missionaries. On her arrival in India, she began by working as a teacher. However, the widespread poverty of Calcutta made a deep impression on her, and this led to her starting a new order called the Missionaries of Charity. The primary objective of this mission was to look after people who nobody else was prepared to look after. Mother Teresa felt that serving others was a fundamental principle of the teachings of Jesus Christ. She often mentioned the saying of Jesus, "Whatever you do to the least of my brethren, you do it to me." As Mother Teresa said herself, love cannot remain by itself. It has no meaning. Love has to be put into action, and that action is service. Mother Teresa. She experienced two particularly traumatic periods in Calcutta. The first was the Bengal famine of 1943, and the second was the Hindu or Muslim violence in 1946. Before the partition of India in 1948, she left the convent to live full-time among the poorest Calcutta. Part 2 link in description box. Thank you.